There are several different file types that you'll encounter when you're working with Flash. The most common are the FLA file and the SWF file, or SWF file. So here on my computer, you can see files.fla and then files.swif. An FLA file is the Flash working file. So if you're familiar with Photoshop, it's comparable to a PSD. And the SWF would then be comparable to a JPEG. So the FLA would be the working file, and the SWF is the output file. So the SWF is something that you would see on the web. So when you're working with Flash, these are the most common file types that you'll see. Let's take a look at some of the other file types in Flash. When you first open Flash, you'll see the Welcome screen. In the Create New section of the Welcome screen, there's a big list of a bunch of different files. The first 5 are all FLA files, so ActionScript 3.0, ActionScript 2.0, Adobe Air 2, iPhone, Flashlight 4. These are all FLA files. The difference between them is what type of SWF they create. ActionScript refers to the programming language used in the SWF file, and then Adobe Air, iPhone, and Flashlight all refer to the publishing platform. So Air for the desktop, iPhone for iPhone applications, and Flashlight for other mobile applications. An ActionScript file has the extension .as, and it's just a plain text file that's used in Flash for running ActionScript code. ActionScript is Flash's native programming language. A Flash JavaScript file has the extension JSFL. These files use JavaScript to add functionality to extend Flash. A Flash project has the extension FLP and is used to organize different FLA, SWF, and ActionScript files. An ActionScript 3.0 interface are templates for ActionScript files. These are the common file types in Flash. And again, you're really primarily going to be using FLA files and SWF files. And remember that an FLA file is the working file and the SWF file is the output file.